Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do an experiment and I mix this little pigments velvet with the bloom mixture that it's untinted house paint with polyurethane Minwax varnish, and I will use my black oxide black for a base, and I have oxide black here too. And here I have my pearl white mixture, and here is this velvet mixed with bloom pouring medium. And I will try to do a reverse flower dip, of course. And I'm working just on little 8 by 8 inch canvas. Wow, this one is a little thick, maybe. My pearl white. But I want to have them all kind of similar consistency, even though that I'm using two different pouring mediums. Hopefully, because this velvet, this little pigments velvet creates such a beautiful shade of blue and purple. I did those double dips with it, and it's just amazing with black, you see. So hopefully we can get something nice out of it. So let's start with my pearl white and black and velvet and black again. And pearl white and black and velvet Do you know the Velvet Underground? I don't know why I'm thinking about that music thing. I love Femme Fatale from Velvet Underground, so maybe this flower will be Femme Fatale too. And black and pearl white and black and the Velvet Underground. You can already see probably that there is some blue, that there you can see some blue shades and black. And this will be it for this part. And I will grab a skewer and draw some pattern with it, like petals, and I think that I have too much paint. Okie doke. And now my napkin, that I will spray it with water a little bit. I really don't know how this will work out because I have two different pouring mediums, you know. We will see. Let's put this down. I kind of think that maybe I should add less layers because I have quite some paint, but okay. Let's see, we can spin it afterwards too, if we will see that we need to. I sometimes spin it out and sometimes don't, so. Whew. Always exciting, this part, because you never know. I can already see some nice reaction underneath, so let's do that. As I thought. The blue one, yay! I was hoping for that kind of reaction. Wow. Just want to bring this a little, center a little towards the middle, because wow, I like it. A little different lacing, a smaller one, but I think that it's just enough, you know. I really like it. I will just add a little paint on the corners because I drag it off. I don't want to spin it. I will just try to just go a little to this side and the back. Just to balance it a little bit. Okay. Interesting. And I will go to this side too. Just to kind of let it fall over the edge on these four sides. Okay. So I want to show you a close-up of this one with the flash on my phone on, because you have to see how this looks in real, because this flower is just amazing. See all this shimmering, and it goes from blue to some kind of purplish shade. If you look at it like that, you see, Here is blue and there is purple. Just amazing. So I'm really happy with this one. Tell me what you think about it, and thank you, Shelley, for sending me those pigments to try. Hope you will like my experiment and my flower, and I can't wait to play with these little pigments some more, because now I know that I have to use 2 different pouring mediums for this. So my black and pearl white is mixed with my pouring medium, and velvet is mixed with bloom pouring medium, and it turned out gorgeous. Do you agree? See you on the next one. Bye.